Good morning, students at Al Breedy, grade 10 Applied Stream Business. My name is Michael Lewicki, and I'm a teacher at Al Dade School for Boys. I'm working with Miss Adiba Hussein together on your course. And today we have an exercise for you, which is essentially making a survey on a website called surveymonkey.com, www.surveymonkey.com. Now, we have prepared an instruction sheet for you, which you can find on the file section of your team. All right, Ms. Adiba will show you where that is. And essentially what we're asking you to do as an interactive lesson, all right, as an interactive lesson, we would like you to go onto that website and create an account. It's free, right? There is a free option. And then we want you to work on that for, say, 20 minutes in the class on creating your own questionnaire. Now, I have given Miss Adiba a questionnaire on fast food restaurants. All right. I think we all like fast food. I know I do. And you can complete that survey. Now, I will get the results because I completed that survey. It's only 5 questions. You don't have to put in your name. All right. It's anonymous. And essentially, I will get those results. Okay. Now, why would you do this? Well, you're studying business right now. Okay. I assume that you'll be studying business grade 11 and 12 as well, somewhat within the Applied Stream program. And if you're ever asked by your teacher, can you conduct some research? Can you find out about something? You can create your own survey. You can ask 10 people, okay, do they like McDonald's? Do they like KFC? Do they like Hardee's? Do they like pizza? Do they like Papa John's? And those 10 people will give you answers, all right? And then maybe, 40%, 4 out of 10 people like McDonald's. 40% of people like McDonald's. Okay. Now, it's basic research, of course, but it is something that you've learned, and you've done it on an interactive basis. So here's an opportunity to have a little bit of fun, okay, and to learn something. So I'm going to leave it at that. We will be publishing, Adiba and myself, more videos like this to help you with instruction, okay, at least periodically. And we want to have a great term. We want term 1 to be successful, and we want that to lead into term 2 and term 3, okay? So thank you very much for all your hard work. It's nice to meet you. I'll talk to you soon, I hope. All right, talk with you soon. Thank you.